Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You know, when you are standing on stage for so many years, you have to give a lot of pictures saying that, हाँ मैं वही हूँ. My name is Salil. Thank you so much for coming on time. It's fantastic to see. But आज एक बहुत ही special दिन है because सबसे पहले the number 7 is going to be very, very important today. 7 कॉन्टिनेंट, 7 राग हैं, 7 समुद्र पार है और 7वां IWM Buzz Awards. इस सब के लिए बड़ी-बड़ी तालियां हो जाए, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Dish TV. Watcho presents IWM Buzz Digital Awards Season 7, powered by Bajaj Almond Drops and Lactocalamine in association with Royal Ranthambore Premium Glassware and TV9 Bharatvarsh. Presenting partner, Dish TV Watcho, powered by partners Bajaj Almond Drops and Lactocalamine. Associate partners, Royal Ranthambore Premium Glassware and TV9 Bharatvarsh. Radio partner, Radio City. Presenting partner, Think Events. Outdoor partner, Art Media. Support partner, White Apple. Creative partner, the guys that wrote the joke right at the beginning, Indian Storytellers. And this is an initiative by IWM Buzz Live. And also a big heartfelt thank you to IWM Buzz Season 7 tonight. So I've got a co-host today who I'm going to bring on stage. Shubhaji, the big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, my dear friend.
Thank you so much for all the appreciation and love.
But just say hi to all. So many have come on your show also.
Actually.
This is a product of Siddhartha Layak's vision. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make you feel good.
Thank you so much. And
और अब वक्त आ गया है हमारी शाम के एक बहुत खास मेहमान को स्टेज पर बुलाने के लिए. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome one of the most loved cabinet ministers that we have of Information and Technology and Cultural Affairs, Government of Maharashtra, Honorable Shri Advocate Ashish Shelar ji. Taaliyan ho jaye, ladies and gentlemen.
और आपकी शाम बहुत अच्छी चल रही है, उसमें आधा एक घंटा तो मैं भाषण कर ही सकता हूँ, लेकिन वो नहीं करने वाला हूँ. मैं जस्ट केम हियर टू विश यू ऑल a very best luck and especially to IWM, the entire team, and the way you all have designed this entire evening and this award, especially to the OTT platforms and many other things where the eyeballs are catching it in a very high numbers. And in that perspective, I feel that today's entertainment is gone to the everybody's hand, house and mind with this new platform and new age technology. So I wish you all the best, all the winners, wish you the best and do the best for the Maharashtra. Thank you.
And the next award, जो category है, most popular youth drama show.
It's most popular youth drama show and the winner is Kota Factory S3.
so अगला award है, ladies and gentlemen, the Lactocalamine Versatile Star. Can we have the winner?
The versatile star and the winner is Rakul Preet Singh.
Yes, good evening everyone. Thank you so much IWM for this award. It's always great to get recognition for your work, and all I can say is I just hope and pray that I keep getting an opportunity to play versatile roles and to keep getting these awards. Thank you so much once again. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, Rakul. You're looking stunning. Thanks so much for joining us. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for her tonight as we're celebrating legends on stage. अगला award है for the stunning personality of the year.
Stunning personality of the year and the winner is Malavika Mohana.
अगला award है for promising star, and while we
Promising star and the winner is Barkha Singh.
this award is for Best Editing in a Web Series Jury.
Best editing in a web series, and the winner is Amit Kulkarni, Panchayat Season 3, TVF Prime Video, and ये अवार्ड शेयर हो रहा है, पहले आप आ जाइए. तान्या छाबरिया, Black Warrant, Applause Entertainment, and of course OTT platform Netflix.
All right, so it's now time to move to the next award. Ladies and gentlemen, the next award is for Radio City Best Music Originals in a Web Series Jury. And the winner is
घर आ माई, बंदिश बैंडिट्स सीजन 2 प्राइम वीडियो.
All right, so it's now time for the next award. Ladies and gentlemen, this is for the best dialogues in a web series jury. And the winner is
बेस्ट डायलॉग्स इन द वेब सीरीज, एंड द विनर इज, ये दो लोग साथ में लिखते हैं, मोहरे Amazon MX प्लेयर, अब्बास दलाल एंड हुसैन दलाल.
All right, so Agla award hai, ladies and gentlemen, best story in a web series jury.
So the award for Best Story in a Web Series Jury goes to Chandan Kumar Panchayat Season 3 TVF Prime Video.
Our next award, ladies and gentlemen, is for best cinematography in a web series jury. And can we have the winner for that, please?
So this is won by two. The Best Cinematography in a Web Series goes to Pankaj Kumar Khauf Prime Video and
Yeah, a huge round of applause for Pankaj.
Shri
please.
Datta Namjoshi, Kota Factory, Season 3 TVF, Netflix.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, our next award is for best screenplay in a web series jury. And can we have the winner for that, please?
So the Best Screenplay in a Web Series goes to Satyanshu Singh, Black Warrant, Applause Entertainment, Netflix.
It's now time for the next award. This is for best debut in a digital film jury. And the winner is
Wow. The Best Debut in a Digital Film goes to Junaid Khan, Maharaj, Netflix.
All right, so it's now time for the next award, ladies and gentlemen. The next award is for Best Web Series in Regional Language.
Best Web Series in Regional Language, and winner is Manvat Murder Soniyu.
Our next award is for Best Cinematography in a Digital Film Jury. Can we have the winner, please?
Best Cinematography in a Digital Film Jury, and the winner is Sylvester Fonseca, Amar Singh Chamkila, Netflix.
It's now time to quickly move on to the next award, ladies and gentlemen. This one is for Best Editing in a Digital Film Jury. And can we have the winner, please?
Best Editing in a Digital Film Jury, and the winner is Jahan Noble, CTRL, Netflix.
हमारी अगली अवार्ड कैटेगरी है बेस्ट स्क्रीन प्ले इन अ डिजिटल फिल्म ज्यूरी.
Bodhayan Roy Chaudhary for Sector 36, Netflix.
All right, so our next award is for best VFX in a digital film jury. Can we have the winner, please?
Best VFX in a digital film jury. The winner is CTRL, Netflix.
Moving on to the next award, ladies and gentlemen. This one is for most popular digital film on the web. This is above 60 minutes, and the winner is
Agni XL Entertainment Prime Video. Congratulations.
अगला अवार्ड है डिश टीवी वॉचो मोस्ट पॉपुलर वेब सीरीज.
And the most popular web series, I think we all know, Panchayat Season 3.
All right, so on that note, we will swiftly move on to the next award, ladies and gentlemen. This one is for Best Dialogues.
And the winner is Sneha Desai, Maharaj, Netflix.
अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट ओरिजिनल पॉडकास्ट सीरीज ज्यूरी. Can we have the winner, please?
Best original podcast series. The winner is Komal Nahata, Game Changers of India, and Anil Bohra.
All right, it's now time to move on to the next award. अगला award है Best Non-Fiction Series of the Year Jury. And this award goes to
The Best Non-Fiction Series of the Year Jury. The winner is Hip Hop India S2 Amazon MX Player.
On that note, we will now move on to the next award, ladies and gentlemen. This one is for Most Popular Non-Fiction Show. And can we have the winner, please?
The winner is Battleground Amazon MX Player.
The more the memes, the more popular you are. And that's the reason why I'm moving on to the next set of awards. And the best direction in a digital film jury, Franklin.
The winner for the best direction in a digital film jury is Siddharth P. Malhotra
Yeah!
for Maharaj.
So exactly a year ago, today, on this day, we didn't know if the film was releasing.
Yeah.
It was basis one poster, the film got banned, and it went into court. We didn't have a trailer, we didn't have songs, we didn't have anything. And then on this day, there were opposition and defense court hearings going on. I'm speaking to Junaid and I'm saying, Kya lag raha hai? He's speaking to me, we're all tensed. My family is there supporting me. I'm crying literally every day. And at one point, we were almost sure that this film isn't coming out. Amit, who was here from Netflix, has heard me literally cry every day on his shoulders. Thank you, Amit, for being that rock solid. And it's all the power of writing and the performances. So thank you, all my actors. Jaideep, sir, love you. Thank you so much.
All right, the next award is for Best Supporting Actor in a Digital Film.
Best Supporting Actor in Digital Film, and winner is Deepak Dobriyal, Sector 36, Netflix.
दीपक जी, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. पहले कुछ शब्द हो जाए, उसके बाद मैं एक सवाल करूंगा आपसे सर.
क्या हाँ हाँ
बिल्कुल
यार. पहले तो पूरी टीम का शुक्रिया. मेरा भाई बुधायन रॉय चौधरी बैठा है, जिन्होंने इतनी प्यारी स्क्रिप्ट लिखी है. मैडॉक, जियो फिल्म्स, नेटफ्लिक्स, आदित्य निबलकर, विक्रांत मैसे, अजीत, इप्शिता, महादेव, पूरी टीम, मतलब जो प्रोडक्शन में थे, विनीता जी, सब ने बहुत प्यार से और मेहनत से फिल्म बनाई है और उसका जो रिजल्ट है वो आज तक मिल रहा है. तो थैंक यू सो मच. एंड सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, प्रे फॉर इजराइल एंड ईरान. थैंक यू.
और अगला अवार्ड है द एडिटर्स चॉइस अचीवर अवार्ड, एंड द विनर इज
Ramkamal Mukherjee.
Our next award is Best Actor in a Comic Role in a Web Series.
Best Actor in Comic Role in a Web Series, and winner is Jamil Khan, Gullak Aswar, TVR Family.
But now our next award is Best Debut in a Web Series.
The best debut in a web series is Zahan Kapoor for Black Warrant.
हमारी अगली कैटेगरी है बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्ट्रेस इन अ वेब सीरीज ज्यूरी.
Best Supporting Actress in a Web Series Jury. The winner is Shum Darang for Khof Prime Video. And I think this is a joint winner and gives me immense pleasure to announce the name of this joint winner, which is Sonali Kulkarni for Oops Ab Kya, Dice Media, Jio Hotstar.
Our next award is Best Performer in a Negative Role in a Web Series, Male, and that's the jury award.
Best Performer in a Negative Role in a Web Series Male Jury. The winner is Adil Zafar Khan, Haki, the Bengal Chapter, Netflix.
All right, the next award is Best Web Series. I love these words with it. Critics' Choice.
And the winner is Doctors, Jio Hotstar.
Our next award is Best Actress in a Comic Role in a Web Series, and for that, I'd like to call on stage Puneet Jain, General Manager, Marketing, Piramal Consumer Healthcare, and Amar Upadhyay on stage to give away the awards.
So the Best Actress in a Comic Role in a Web Series jury, and the winner is Anjali Anand, Raj Jama Hai, Sony Live.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we're celebrating legends on stage and skincare too, and that's why our next award is Lactocalamine, Most Popular Actress in a Web Series.
And the winner is Prajakta Kohli for Mismatch Season 3, Netflix.
Now time to give the award for Most Versatile Actor.
Yeah, so this one is Most Versatile Actor, and the winner is Ritwik Bhaumik Khaki, the Bengal Chapter of Netflix.
अगला अवार्ड है for the Most Versatile Actress.
And the winner is Rasika Duggal for Mirzapur Season 3, Prime Video.
Next award है for Path-Breaking Star of the Year.
And the winner for the Path-Breaking Star of the Year is Debyandu Bhattacharya.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Please. अगला अवार्ड है for the Most Popular Actor in a Negative Series, negative character in a web series, and the winner being Anjali. Can we do the honors?
Most Popular Actor in a Negative Character in a Web Series, and the winner is Prosenjit Chatterjee, Khaki, the Bengal Chapter, Netflix.
Well, good evening. This is my first Negative Character Award. Of course, last year I got for my director, Vikram, for Jubilee. Yeah, but I'm very happy because I think nowadays, as we were discussing, the character has changed. It's actors' medium for this OTT. And thank you so much. Thank you, Siddharth, and for this award. And thanks to Neeraj, of course. This is a character which is a bit different what I normally do, or I've been doing it, but I really enjoyed. And thank you, Ritwik. Where are you guys? वो दो बदमाश कहाँ हैं? चले गए?
चले गए सर बाहर अपना पहला award लेके.
Thank you so much. Thank you for this award. Thank you so much.
Our next award है for the Best Digital Film Audience Choice.
Best Digital Film Audience Choice. And the winner is Kaushalji's versus Kaushal.
अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्टर इन अ वेब सीरीज.
The best supporting actor in a web series jury. And the winner is Javed Saab.
साहब बोल दिया, जावेद साहब तो एक ही हैं यार.
अरे हाँ, यहाँ तो वो करेक्ट.
मैं तो उनकी तरह दूर दूर तक नहीं दिखता हूँ. सनी. Anyway, Shabana ji is here. But
yes, that's why. That's Javed Saab.
But ये platforms आजकल, and I've been 40 years. This is my 40th year in the industry.
Can we just pause?
Yes.
Applause, ladies and gentlemen.
40 years, still going strong by the grace of God. ऊपर वाले का बहुत करम, अल्लाह का शुक्र. And पापा की याद आती है because बहुत कुछ सीखा उनसे. And पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा. कहते थे, and I always remember him, God bless his soul. But ये platform, बचपन में I used to travel a lot by local trains, and वहाँ से मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा. When you say characterization, observing people, Mumbai trains is the best place to learn about characterization. And I picked it up. और वहाँ पे platform होता है. Platform number 5 से आने वाली गाड़ी अब platform number 4. तो अब तो platform किलो के हिसाब से हो गए हैं, and these platforms have given such an opportunity to creative people because पहले हम सिर्फ फिल्मों तक महदूद थे. लोग लाइनें लगा के स्टूडियो के डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर्स के बाहर फोटो लेके पोर्टफोलियो लेके खड़े हैं. And today the world is such a huge change, man. I mean, you can be sitting in some back of Boondocks village in Arunachal Pradesh, and your video could be seen by somebody in LA, by Spielberg for that matter. This whole 6 degrees of separation has gone to like 1 degree of separation. And it's such an amazing time for creative people to be in this world, in these times. And I think we are making such an advantage. I mean, all of us, I see so many people here who, otherwise, the kind of scope we've got, performers, writers, directors, and these platforms are giving such a great opportunity. Thank you, Jio, and first and foremost, and especially Udit Sangvi and Tej Bajaj from Jio, and Ding Productions who produced this series. There was Megha Sehgal who was the creative producer. Thank you. And Birsa Das Gupta, who's been an amazing director. He's not here today, but he's done such a... See, there are directors who are very technical. As actors, and actors will identify with me, there are very few directors who will hone in and get that actor out of you. Kaam nikalte hain. And Birsa is one of them. So I thank him for this performance. And Divyanka, my co-actor, I think we had some fantastic scenes together. Thank you, Divyanka. It was a pleasure working with you. And thank you, everybody. IWM Buzz, thank you. And it's great. ये जो प्रोत्साहन मिलता है हम लोगों को, आप लोग अवार्ड देते हैं. ठीक है, बहुत सारी कैटेगरीज होती हैं. एक स्पॉट बॉय कैटेगरी भी निकाल दीजिए, बहुत काम करते हैं वो लोग. So I think thank you very much and God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And Javed Jafri साहब, we still can't dance like you ever. जितना भी हम लोग सीख लेना, 40 साल से जो हम आपको डांस करते हुए सीख रहे हैं सर, तभी हम लोग यहाँ छिपे हुए हैं. This is for a reason. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, Javed Jafri. Our next award is for Dish TV Watch Show Best Actor in Digital Film Jury. And the winner is...
The Best Actor in a Digital Film Jury. And the winner is Pratik Gandhi. Dhoom Dhaam Jio Studio.
Thank you very much. Good evening, everyone. I'm very happy to get this award in front of so many talented actors here. This is for a film Dhoom Dhaam, which made me dance for the first time. That too without a shirt for the first time. I guess I give all the credit to Aditya Dhar and Arsh, the writers. They both could actually visualize me doing something like this. Which I always wanted to do, but it is very difficult for actors to find people who can visualize you do something like this. And my co-actor Yami, and the director Rishabh Sheth. We had so much fun making this film, and the whole team at Netflix could actually help us reach out to large audience, so thank you very much. Thank you. This is my second IWM Buzz Award, so even more special.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड है for the most popular actor in a digital film.
The most popular actor in a digital film is
Mr. Shahir Sheikh, Do Patti for Netflix.
अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस क्रिटिक्स चॉइस सीरीज
दिव्यांका त्रिपाठी, द मैजिक ऑफ श्री, जियो स्टूडियो।
And the next award is for Impact Actor of the Year.
ये आवाज़ सबसे ज़्यादा बुलंद है और बहुत सारे सुपरस्टार ये आवाज़ को इस्तेमाल भी करते हैं ताकि वो एक सुपरस्टार जैसा फील करे स्क्रीन के ऊपर। नाम है उनका शरद केलकर।
गुड इवनिंग।
ये जानबूझ के किया ना?
नहीं, मैं थैंक यू सलील। मैं बहुत कुछ सोच के आया था मैं बात करूंगा, बट मुझसे पहले जावेद सर चले गए तो भाजी पाला हो गया आवाज़ का। सर ह्यूज फैन ऑफ योर वॉइस ऑलवेज। डॉक्टर्स ऑनेस्टली अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट शो टू डू। देखने में बड़ा मज़ा आया लोगों को, लेकिन हमें करने में बहुत मुश्किल हुई। इतनी बीमारियां, उनके नाम, उनके प्रोनाउंसिएशंस याद रखो। साहिर, our director, was in a big shit that time, I think. But all thanks to our writers, Radhika, Bharat, Shivani. Thank you, Jio Studios, Tej, Imani, thank you. Our producer सिद्धार्थ, I think बहुत सारे अवार्ड लेके गए यहाँ से। दुकान लगा रहे हैं वो बाहर जाके शायद। तो thanks to Siddharth and hope can I say this or not? तेज मना कर रहा है, अभी किसी के हाथ में नहीं है। Thank you Jio Studios, thank you Jio Cinema, now Jio Hotstar. Thank you so much and thank you IWM Buzz for this and मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ बहुत सारे दोस्तों से मिलने के लिए। एक तो सामने बैठे हुए हैं। Please watch Shrikant on Netflix. It's a brilliant film, and Rajkumar is here. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Alim sir.
Thank you, Sharad. अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट एक्टर क्रिटिक्स चॉइस फिल्म। Can we have the envelope, please?
Best Actor Critics' Choice Films. The winner is Manoj Bajpayee.
के बाद कोई भी जो है एक्टिंग कर सकता है, तूने मुझसे कराया। But thank you रोनी स्क्रू वाला, Z5, everyone, सिद्धार्थ दीवान, तू अगर जहाँ भी है तू समझना तुझसे ज़्यादा पेशेंस वाला कैमरामैन मैंने नहीं देखा जो कन्नू को झेल सकता है। मैंने तो झेला ही, पर कन्नू तुझे झेल के ये मिला, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
एक सेकंड मनोज जी, एक सेकंड।
हाँ जी।
सब आपके बारे में बोलते हैं कि नेटफ्लिक्स, अमेजॉन, सोनी, सब जगह। हम लोग बोलते हैं, मनोज बाजपेयी सबसे पहले बोलते हैं प्ले दबाओ।
क्या दबाओ?
प्ले दबाओ।
ये इसका जोक नहीं समझा।
जैसे हम लोग स्क्रीन पर देखते हैं प्ले दबाओ, योर एड इज द मोस्ट व्यूड एड, हम लोग ये देखते हैं। सारे एड्स में तो आप एक्टिंग कर रहे होते हैं, वहां पे मनोज बाजपेयी का किरदार निभा रहे होते हो।
इधर प्रतीक गांधी बैठा हुआ है और राजकुमार राव बैठा हुआ है। सबसे ज्यादा माल ये लोग खींच रहे हैं एड से, समझ गए ना? तो इनको बोलो, हम लोगों तो मतलब इनके डेट वोट का चक्कर होता है, पैसे का चक्कर होता है, तो हमारी झोली में गिर जाता है।
थोड़ी देर पहले जयदीप अलावत यहाँ से गए हैं, तो मतलब आज यहाँ बहुत भारी भरकम बैंक बैलेंसेस आए
नहीं, लेकिन मुझे पैसे से बहुत प्यार है।
अच्छा,
मैं आपको बता दूं, खास करके 30-32 साल के बाद कुछ ज़्यादा ही प्यार हो गया है। अब कहते हैं कि जब तक शगुन नहीं दिखाओगे पाँव बाहर नहीं निकलता है, और सिर्फ कंटेंट के नाम पे तो बिल्कुल नहीं निकलता है।
बहुत शुक्रिया सर, थैंक यू सो मच। Unfiltered as always, Manoj Bajpayee sir. The next award is for Best Supporting Actress in a Digital Film Jury.
But the best supporting actress in a digital film jury goes to Miss Patra Lekha for Wild Wild Punjab in Net.
सबसे पहले तो मैं जो शो के राइटर हैं चंदन कुमार, उनको थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने जो पूरा शो है बहुत शिद्दत से लिखा है और कंटिन्यू किया है। मतलब सीज़न 1 के बाद बड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट होता है सीज़न 2 एंड सीज़न 3 पुल ऑफ करना इस तरीके से। तो चंदन के लिए बहुत सारी बधाइयाँ एंड थैंक यू। एंड उसके बाद जो डायरेक्टर हैं दीपक कुमार मिश्रा, उन्होंने भी बहुत प्यार से ये शो बनाया है और सारे कैरेक्टर्स को बहुत अच्छे से दिखाया है इस शो में। सो थैंक यू दीपक कुमार मिश्रा एंड आई रियली वांट टू थैंक ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली जिन्होंने मेरे पूरी जर्नी में बहुत सारी चीज़ें, बहुत अप डाउन्स रहे और उन्होंने पूरा साथ दिया। एंड मैं आज जो भी हूँ एक्चुअली मेरी फैमिली एंड मेरे फ्रेंड्स की वजह से हूँ। सो थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू एवरीबडी, थैंक यू।
And now it's time to give away the award for the most popular actor in a comic role in a web series.
And the winner is Sparsh Srivastav, Dopahiya Prime Video. Congratulations.
अगला अवार्ड है for TV9 भारतवर्ष मोल्ड ब्रेकर ऑफ द ईयर एंड द विनर इज
पताल लोक ईश्वर सिंह।
Up next is the award for Bajaj Almond Drops Powerhouse Performance of the Year.
Many congratulations to the winners, and the award goes to Nusrat Bharucha Chori 2 from Prime Video.
Actually, Chori means a lot to me, and especially to this girl sitting behind in some house and behind a television watching everybody rise up. Did a few films in the beginning where honestly even the girl's name was not remembered for very long. I was called the Panchnama girl for years. And my only fight was people would get my name right. And from there to then headlining a franchise film which is called Chori, and it's on a girl, it's about a girl. It just means so much to me that this has been given to me. And yes, you're right, it is about the directors and the writers and the industry and the trade who can see you in different paths. Because as actors we want to do it all. मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं जो हमें नहीं करना है, but हमें मौका मिलना चाहिए. So I guess this one is for the opportunities and the maukas that I've got, and I'm very proud to be part of this industry. So thank you everyone, writers, directors, platforms, IWM, and everybody here. So thank you so much for this.
Thank you, Nusrat. Thank you.
Agla award, ladies and gentlemen, we'll quickly move on. This one is the Impactful Performer of the Year. Can we have the winner, please?
The winner is Gurmeet Chaudhary. Ye Kali Kali Aankhein, ST Netflix.
All right, अगला अवार्ड फॉर द ग्लैमरस स्टार ऑफ द ईयर और इसके लिए मैं स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगा निखिल माथुर, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट सेल्स ब्रांडेड कंटेंट TV9, along with Anup Soni and the lovely Daisy Shah. Daisy, good to see you after so many.
And the winner is Sunny Leone.
Next award is the Best Digital Film Above 60 Minutes Jury.
And the award goes to my favorite, Amar Singh Chamkila.
We've been talking about versatility and we've been talking about talent over here, and we cannot look like that because this is an institution right here in front of us, ma'am. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Shamana ji. There is nothing that you haven't done, ma'am. But Dabba Cartel is so special.
Sorry, मैं आपको टोक रही हूँ.
Please.
लेकिन अल्फाज से मेरा कुछ ज़्यादा ही रिश्ता है. तो the word is versatility, not versatility.
Right. Sorry, ma'am. I love the correction, but the truth is still there. You are the epitome of what differentiation as an actor is. You have chosen always different roles. Dabba Cartel आ जा और एक नया शो आता है, वो भी बड़ा हिट हो जाता है. You must really smile looking at the body of work also. Each time also must make you very excited.
You know, somebody said here that OTT is an actor's medium. I beg to differ. I think it's the writer's medium. And without the writer, we wouldn't be here. So I would like to thank, firstly, Shibani Dandekar for creating this, and to the writers, and Hitesh Bhatia, who was our director. And acting, as we all know, is a very collaborative medium. It couldn't have been possible without the wonderful star cast I had. I can't take everybody's name, but because Anjali is here, I'll take Anjali's name. Shalini Pandey, Jyotika, Nimisha, and I'm sure I'm missing somebody. But thank you all of us, all of them, for making this possible. And thank you for giving me this award. Shukriya.
Our next award is Best Web Series Jury.
Best web series jury, and the winner is Black Warrant.
Many words, actually, not few.
I'll keep it short and sweet because I'm on a roll these days. So thank you very much. Like I always say, there is a plethora of talent that I see in this room, and supremely, I have seen a lot of the work that is there, and these awards are very, very justified. So congratulations to all the winners. Before and after, and thank you so much for choosing me and having the great taste to do so.
And also, we want to say good luck for Ma. There's always going to be butterflies in the tummy as well. But do you still get like those butterflies when you've got a new release coming up?
You know, the butterflies are there before the release.
Yeah.
I think it's a sense of having your work put out there, and बच्चा किसी को अच्छा लगेगा या नहीं लगेगा, लेकिन अपना बच्चा है, तो मेरा बच्चा सबसे अच्छा होता है. Super excited about the film, and yes, you guys please go see it in theaters because it's hopefully coming much, much later on OTT.
In theaters first, OTT much later. Thank you so much, Kajol. Wonderful to have you on stage. For the best actor in a web series jury.
Best actor in a web series jury, the winner is Jaideep Alawat, Paatal Lok Season 2, Prime Video.
Hi, good evening everyone. Without being humble, कोई humbleness नहीं इसमें. ये सिर्फ कुछ लोगों की बदौलत हो पाया है. सुदीप शर्मा, अविनाश और हमारी जो प्रोडक्शन टीम है वो, और मुकुंद सर, अभी आहन ने उसका नाम लिया, वो भी पाताल लोक के प्रोडक्शन डिज़ाइनर थे, और बहुत सारे लोग जिन्होंने हाथीराम को क्रिएट किया. थैंक यू फॉर मेकिंग, राइटिंग हाथीराम एंड मेकिंग पाताल लोक. थैंक यू सो मच.
The next award is for Best Actor in a negative role in a digital film jury.
And the winner is Jaideep, I hope I'm
pronouncing it correctly. Jaideep Halawa.
Yes.
Maharaj. That's it.
Hi again.
शब्द कम बोलना था आपको सर, लेकिन बेस्ट एक्टर एंड बेस्ट नेगेटिव ये
बस।
एक रात में और भी 5 मिनट के गैप।
वो उसके लिए कुछ लोग जिम्मेदार थे, इसके लिए तो यहीं बैठे हैं कुछ लोग। मेरे डायरेक्टर यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, जिस आदमी ने इतना भरोसा दिखाया कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ। मेरे को एक्टर्स अभी थे, आई थिंक स्नेहा यहाँ बैठी हुई थी जिन्होंने वो लिखा है, उसके साथ बाकी जो टीम है, आदि सर, बहुत सारे लोग जिन्होंने अगेन मेरे ट्रेनर हैं प्रज्वल सर, जिन्होंने 6-7 महीने लगा के एक मोटे आदमी को पतला बनाया, प्रेजेंटेबल बनाया, और कॉस्ट्यूम जो है हमारी वो अमेजिंग, कमाल के लिखे हुए डायलॉग, खूबसूरत सेट, और इस आदमी की अथक मेहनत जिसने ये भरोसा दिया कि तू ये कर लेगा, मैं तेरे साथ हूँ। थैंक यू भाई, थैंक यू सो मच।
All right, ladies and gentlemen, अभी आगे बढ़ेंगे to the next award. The next award is the Power Couple of the Year. Can we have the winner, please?
It shouldn't be a surprise. It's a giveaway. The Power Couple of the Year goes to Ms. Patralekha and Mr. Rajkumar Rao. Please give them a big round of applause.
Questions as well.
Thank you. I'm IWM Buzz for this award, Power Couple. कपल तो बहुत सालों से अभी तक पावर कपल बन गए हैं, बट इस पावर कपल में एक्चुअली पावर जो है वो सिर्फ ये है। सारी पावर जो है वो इनसे आती है, मेरे अंदर भी और इस रिलेशनशिप के अंदर भी। सो थैंक यू पत्रलेखा फॉर बीइंग माय स्ट्रेंथ, being the anchor in this relationship, and just being so amazing in everything that you do. And as you rightly said, IC814 and Wild Wild and Pule, she deserves much more, and you're just everything. You're just amazing. Yeah.
Oh, sweet. I love it.
देखो ज़्यादा खर्चा ना करें तो बॉटम लाइन है हर प्रोड्यूसर के लिए।
अच्छा।
वो तो है ही, but I think we had some really amazing partners. Netflix, of course, Toaster, our first film under production, Campa film, is with Netflix. And of course, she is the one who's done everything for that film. I am just an actor, but she's the one I've seen her struggling so hard with the script, in the creative process, in making it happen. So I think the credit goes to her.
But greed होती है ना, when you're doing your own. Most actors used to become producers to make the kind of films they wanted. ये सच्चाई है।
Yeah, exactly. No, Toaster is that. The second one that we are filming for right now is also very different and something that we want to do that we have not seen on Indian screens. So that's the plan, to make something unique, cool and quirky.
Two of you together or no? In one script?
In one script, we are waiting. We are waiting for that one script. But we would love to, of course, work together again, because City Lights में काम किया था बहुत साल पहले, बहुत मजा आया.
Right.
And after seeing her work in recent years, I'm dying to work with her as an actor.
Chalo, wonderful. We've been talking about writers. Well, this is your cue. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us. Thank you.
Thank you.
इसी के साथ आज की ये OTT वाली अवार्ड नाइट यही खत्म होती है दोस्तों.
Big round of applause for them. Wrote a brilliant script. This is an initiative by IWM Buzz. And that's good night for
Good night
the 7
from all
people
of
left
us.
in here.
Thank you
ladies
so
and
much.
gentlemen.